MetaMask Bridges allows you to easily bridge tokens from one network to another. Let's say I need some wrapped ETH on Polygon. I'm going to move some ETH over from Ethereum. Normally, I'd need to do a bunch of research to find a bridge that supports the right networks and tokens, and that's safe and fast enough. With MetaMask Bridges, I can find a bridge and move my tokens in just a few clicks. First, I enter the networks, token, and amount that I want to bridge. This kicks off a search through several bridge providers, all of which have been curated for safety and reliability. Looks like my recommended path is through Hop Bridge. I can see the bridge name, the estimated time, gas fees, and return. I can even expand for more details. I can submit this transfer right now, but I want to see more options. I'll click Choose a Different Quote to see all the quotes that were found for this route. Instead of the best price, I want the fastest one, so I'll select C-Bridge instead. Then I'll submit my transaction and confirm in MetaMask. Now my bridge transfer is in progress, and I can keep tabs on it with this progress tracker. The transfer consists of one transaction on the Ethereum network, which I just signed, and another transaction on the Polygon network, which will be created automatically and send me my funds on Polygon. This might take a few minutes to complete. While I'm waiting, I'm going to switch to the Polygon network and add the Polygon wrapped ETH token to my MetaMask wallet. Now I'll see my new funds in my wallet when they arrive. 10 minutes later, my bridge transfer is complete, and I can see both transactions in the progress tracker. In my MetaMask wallet, I can see that my Polygon wrapped ETH has arrived safely. Head over to portfolio.metamask.io/bridge to try it out for yourself.